Drivers behind the line. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, dive!
Welcome to match number 63 here on the Johnson division. We have 2 Coral right away for the Red Alliance. Third in motion now, 36-68. That is Robotics getting the third. The fourth is scored by Robotics over on blue. Coming into the end of auto transition to teleop, we have a all-tied score. It was 37-37 as drivers take control. Burning Magnetos for the Blue Alliance, attempting to process the first algae of the match. Algae also in motion over on red. That's from Mechanical Mustangs. They drop that algae into the barge while Prepatech Rolt passes algae through the processor. 1 algae processed on either side so far. We are looking at an attempt at cooperation here in match number 63. Barge algae specialty being played by Inverse Paradox. Again, while Rolt passes through the processor, we do now have cooperation indicated on both sides of the board. That means only 3 levels of that reef need to be completed for that Coral ranking point. It is 101-87, minute and a half remaining in this match. Moving up on L4, almost completely filled are the members of the Red Alliance. We have 3v3 offense for both sides of the field, pretty evenly matched so far. Red Alliance slight advantage in the number of Coral that have been scored. Trobots in blue pass more algae through the processor. They do not need it for co-op, but it is worth 6 points. Human player from Prepatech, they're going to retrieve that algae, toss it on up into the barge. It'll stick the landing for 4 points for red. Trobots continue to pass that algae through the processor, leaving space around the reef for their alliance partners, Burning Magnetos and Robotics, to work on filling that reef all the way down. Slight advantage red when it comes to the levels of the reef. They just finished off L2, so that's a ranking point for the Red Alliance. Over on blue, they have got to be awfully close to getting that ranking point for themselves. Final 30 seconds of the match underway. Now, ranking point secure. Coral RP for red and blue here in match 63. Final 20 seconds of the match underway. All 3 red robots racing to get to the barge zone. A collision between Rolt and their alliance partner, Inverse Paradox. As they get to the barge, we've got 5 seconds remaining. We got 2 robots up off the ground for blue and an attempt at 3 robots suspending from a deep cage for the Red Alliance. For our first match of the morning, it was a win by the Red Alliance. 246-203, a great start to our morning. Red Alliance with 6 ranking points, blue with 3 of their own. 2 of our Red Alliance robots moving up into the top 8.